Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the active camera and running the control from a local script. This ensures input and rendering run on the client. Set workspace. Current camera to camera type scriptable or custom, so your script controls position and rotation. Once done, assign camera subject to the character's humanoid or a motor 6 de-anchored part to follow. Make sure reset camera is handled to avoid engine overrides, and test in play mode rather than edit because the server won't emulate client camera behavior. Next, implement frame-accurate updates with run service. Render stepped so tracking aligns with rendering. This avoids jitter. Compute a target C-frame from the subject's humanoid. Root part plus a positional and rotational offset to position camera behind and above. Then, blend current camera C-frame toward the target using a lerp factor to smooth motion. This prevents snapping and feels natural. Make sure to respect camera collision or raycast to avoid clipping through geometry. And keep heavy math off the main thread. To finish, reapply camera type equals custom or scriptable and cleanly disconnect render stepped connections when the script ends so you don't leak handlers. Add a raycast from subject to camera target and nudge the camera forward if an obstruction is detected. This keeps the view usable. If things go wrong, inspect for duplicate camera controllers. Another script or a plugin often resets camera type or camera subject. If you find conflicts, disable extras and test iteratively until only your tracking script manages the camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.